Our guys are good out on the soccer field, but how good they are on the golf course? Let's find out. Hey y'all, Aaron here with Tormenta FC. Today our players are going to be competing in a challenge here at Forest Heights Country Club in Statesboro, Georgia. In this episode we have Stephen O'Hearn versus Craig McCall. The rules are simple. Our players will alternate shots using one of their clubs in their bag. Each time a club is used, that club is no longer available for either player. The player that has more balls on the green at the end of the match wins. Let's get to it.
That's a good look for you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I don't know if everybody can fully appreciate. We got the tracksuit, the high, the no ankle bone. The ankle bone exposed is nice, and the glasses and the shades are.
Can you get this at the can you get this at the Tormenta store?
Well, I appreciate you can get this in the Tormenta.
You can buy this at the Tormenta store.
If you want Maka size, you get the extra small.
That's right. That's right. Steve-O's out of dress code again.
Yeah, Steve was going for the frat boy look, isn't he?
That's right.
The frat
boy look.
Georgia State. Here we go.
We're gonna flip the tee, right? I'll flip it for you. See who goes first. Steve-O's up.
Yeah,
You get to choose your club, and then whatever that club is.
It's gotta be.
Didn't want to use that one.
Don't need him, do you?
Nah, I'll be alright.
How can you throw them?
I'll get it further. Remember the wind, Steve-O.
Oh, it gets down.
Oh no, don't put me under pressure that way. Yeah. That's not there, is it?
Nope. So long.
Good. Right, where'd you get the balls from?
Yeah. Right there.
Let's see the field.
Is that too high? Is that?
People play it that way.
That feels a bit awkward to me.
Yeah. A little high.
Probably, yeah.
In Austria, they seem to have played with a very high tee.
Are you swinging it like a baseball bat? What time is it?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, yeah, you look good.
That's all that matters, isn't it?
Yeah, it was very good.
I'm here for the cameras.
Wait a second. How's it going?
That's a practice swing. That's a practice swing. Oh, by the way, I just.
That was really quick, right?
All right, you see the 4?
Yeah.
Don't stop looking at it.
Just keep looking at the 4.
Keep looking at that 4.
Right, no worries.
Yeah. Steve-O's gonna.
I need to go a bit slower, don't I?
Maybe.
All right, okay.
Oh! Okay, that's a hit though. Get a bounce.
Ah.
Contact.
At least I know a little bit what I'm doing. Wait, you going for the 8?
Yeah.
Steve. No worries. I didn't need that one anyway.
Alright, good setup. I like that.
Shoes are untied, Steve.
Very loose.
Oh. Oh, catch it. A lot of talking.
Unlucky. Get unlucky.
Alright, you got the part of the ball you're gonna pay attention to?
The round part.
Hit Bryce. Aim at Bryce. I like for you aiming at Bryce.
Hey, ball, Bryce, eh?
Right, better. You got what to do.
Put your head on this, Bryce. Is that going to do the skip across the water?
Hold the pose.
Yeah, just do that one.
Well, you might as well move the GoPro in front of the water.
Alright, Steve-O, you can pounce now, bud.
Steve-O, you've not. We're 0-0 right now, aren't we?
I like this, Steve-O.
Oh wow. My competition isn't much at all. Here,
Practice round.
Really nice.
Steve-O, you're such a bag of nerves.
You see, do through the camera.
Your first 4 shots were brilliant, and then the camera comes on, and you've been playing worse than me. Do you know what the problem is?
What's the problem, mate?
I've not got the golf. Is it? Just watch.
You know you put it on the left.
Oh, you put it on the.
Yeah.
Oh, so if you're righty, you put it on the left hand?
Yeah.
All right, okay.
Unless you're in Scotland, then you can do it differently.
Oh, the watches. Sorry, but the watch was in the way. Here we go. Oh, by the way, I can feel a winning shot coming on.
We need it.
Imagine if I pulled that off.
Wow.
Bounce. Hit the tree.
Ah, it's very unfortunate.
Yeah. It almost got over the wall.
But the glove does help.
A little better grip.
Yeah.
That's why, so with every shot you come closer to us.
Yeah, Steve.
Come closer. I'm like, feel the wind.
Who's better?
Alright. Oh wow. That club slips out of his hand.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah. Get a new tee.
Oh, hit the tree.
Nah.
In the fairway on a par 4, you're like, wow.
Oh.
That's almost as far as next
wrong
drive.
tree.
Aim. I see that name.
I don't.
Focus on contact.
Yeah, I just want to hit it.
I'm gonna help my guy out here.
Yeah, a little bit of advice would like.
See that? Here's your runway.
What's that meant to do?
Let your club go right past those things.
Oh.
Yeah, just like
Oh, that was a bit nicer with the wrists. Here we go.
It could work out.
It could.
Oh, go!
Oh, there's just no minerals, man.
That was
Hey, it was the right approach. Yeah. Right approach.
I'm gutted I can't use this again.
Let's go for
Just use
driver.
the same thing.
Yeah.
Driver, more distance.
You got a little loft. It's gonna go. Watch this.
Sting it though.
Your knee's looking a bit shaky.
Yeah, you gotta hit it. You gotta hit it.
Oh.
See it photoshopped this in the rain yesterday. The exact same thing. Your shoulders just go. This thing's so late too.
Is that it? Is that a contact? Hey, zoom in on that. Was that not a contact?
Shots, mate.
New rules, that doesn't count.
Really?
Last year, best stroke.
I can probably closer than yours.
That's
I'm playing
cool.
USGA. Here. RNA. There's no way. Wow.
Come on, strike.
wow. Hey, what's the rules on here? 3 strikes and I get an automatic one on the green.
All right.
Oh wow.
That just doesn't work, does it? It's hard.
Excuse me, can you stop whispering when I'm trying to take my shots? You might be on my team and you're distracting me.
Cheering you up.
Wow. That's the highest shot you can.
Oh!
You can use anything you want.
Alright, okay, so I can go back to the 3-wood? Yeah, I think so.
3-wood?
I think so.
Alright.
I
What
think
you feel comfortable with.
I think that's the best approach.
Got it.
Well, I'll wait and see where his goes.
He does.
Yeah.
Show out
Fuck, you got that.
Wide open.
Oh no, it's difficult.
Maka, you just got to hit it in the water.
All you gotta do is go past that.
Oh, no, so if it goes in the water, it's fine.
Yeah.
Closest to pin.
You gotta be closer than that is.
Water's out of bounds. Oh.
Yeah, I thought water was out of bounds.
Just tee it up and
Oh,
smash
that's
it.
fair point.
Just smash
Get it
it.
across the
So go
water.
past it.
Yeah, just smash it.
Hey.
You're with the right club.
Yeah, I've got the right club.
Water though, so he's in play.
Yeah.
Okay, you could just roll it further than he was in front of the water.
No, but I've not got that. I ain't got that ability of actual. Jesus. Here we go then.
Oh, Maka. And that's even farther away though.
But that's a win.
That's farther away.
No chance.
No, that's closer.
Got to be close.
I
That's
don't know.
closer.
Come on, let's go! I told you I step up on the big occasions, man. I just bingo that over there. Thank you.
You absolutely smashed it.
I did smash it. Unlucky, Darren.
Yeah.
Don't worry.